perfect your English, we need to include certain phrasal verbs and idioms in our daily conversation when it comes to English. Now today we have focused on these three critical phrasal verbs starting with the word put. Put on. Put on का मतलब होता है पहनना. For example, put on your shoes. Put on your coat. Likewise, we have put off, जो कि इसका विपरीत है, इसका opposite है on का. Put off means उतारना या स्थगित करना, cancel करना. For instance, put off your shoes, put off your clothes. My boss has put off the meeting. Going forward, we find put by, which simply means bachana. He always puts by some money every month. Second example, he puts by some time for all of us. Now let's see what my students have to say about it. Starting with Prakash. Yes.
First, put on. Put on your watches. Put on your hairstyle. Put on your shirts.
Very good.
And second, put off. Put up your shoes. Put up your coats. Put up your sunglasses. And third, is it?
Put by.
Put by. Put by. Put by.
Past idioms.
Put by our times and putting by our money, and we are putting by our food.
Okay.
Hello everyone, today's topic is phrasal verbs. Put on. Put on your mask. Put on your wristband. Put on your rubber band. Put off. Put off your anxiety. Put off your stress. Put off your energy. Put by. My mom always put by some money for me. He always puts by some milk for his younger brother. He always puts some money.
Hello everyone. First of all, put on. Put on your bangles. Put on your slippers. Put on your shirts. And second, put off. Put off your watches. Put off your
Slippers.
slippers and put off your hairbands. And third, put by. He put by foods and he puts by some money every day. He puts by milk every day. That's it.
Hello everyone, thanks to BSL. Today I am telling about phrasal verbs. Put on. Put on your bag. Put on my jacket. Put on hat on the head. Put off. Put off your attitude. Put off your school bag. Put off your golden chair.
Okay, very good. Next.
Put by. We are puts by food.
We are putting by food for the evening. Okay, very good. Very good, Aditya. Thank you.
Hello everyone, thanks to BSN. Put on your clothes, put on your shirt, put on your wristband. And second to put off your goggles and put off your earring, put off your jacket immediately. And third, put by. I put by some milk for everyone. I already put some money for me. Government always puts by some fund for defense.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone, and thanks to BSL. Today's wear anything is called put on, and second is put off. That means you can remove anything from your body and anything you can just remove like that. And third is put by. To save anything like environment, trees, money and time is everything I want to put by. So that's all.
Okay. Thank you, Ritesh.